Welcome to the future of driving. Today we explore the highly anticipated Xiaomi 7, a masterpiece of innovation. The rear design is truly iconic, featuring a full-width LED light bar and an active aerodynamic spoiler. With its sleek, Porsche-inspired silhouette, the SU7 achieves an incredibly low drag coefficient for maximum efficiency. The distinctive water-drop headlights are a signature design element, blending elegance with cutting-edge LED technology. On the road, the SU7 delivers breathtaking performance, combining lightning-fast acceleration with remarkable handling and stability. In the heart of the city, its metallic finish reflects the neon lights, creating a stunning cyberpunk aesthetic. The Xiaomi branding marks a new era in the automotive industry, redefining what a smart vehicle can be. Step inside through the frameless doors, designed to provide a modern, premium, and sophisticated entrance every time. From above, the expansive panoramic glass roof offers a breathtaking view while flooding the cabin with natural light. Parked at the Xiaomi store, it draws every eye, standing as a testament to the brand's design success. Experience the revolutionary Smart Cockpit, featuring a massive 16-inch display that brings your digital world to life. The rotating instrument cluster and sporty steering wheel provide a driver-centric experience that is both intuitive and futuristic. Passengers can enjoy dual Xiaomi tablets, allowing for seamless entertainment and full control over the vehicle's features. The center console blends tactile physical switches with premium materials, ensuring a luxurious and user-friendly environment. The vast glass roof creates an incredible sense of space, offering a clear view of the sky above. Equipped with high-performance Brembo brakes and 21-inch alloys, the SU7 ensures ultimate stopping power and style. The Xiaomi Ecosystem allows your smartphone to mirror seamlessly, creating a truly integrated and connected driving experience. With a spacious front trunk, the SU7 offers practical storage solutions that take full advantage of its electric architecture. At high speeds, the active rear wing automatically deploys to increase downforce and enhance high-speed stability. The roof-mounted LiDAR sensor is the brain behind the SU7's advanced autonomous driving and safety features. Meet the SU7 Ultra, a track-focused beast designed to break records and redefine electric supercar performance. Xiaomi's supercharger network provides ultra-fast charging, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time driving. Drive with confidence at night thanks to advanced LED technology that provides a crystal-clear view of the road. Smart sensors detect your arrival, automatically presenting the hidden door handles for a seamless and futuristic entry. In conclusion, the Xiaomi SU7 is a perfect harmony of technology, performance, and breathtaking design. Every detail, like these automated handles, is engineered to provide a sophisticated and convenient user experience. Gliding through city tunnels, the SU7's aerodynamic body creates a mesmerizing display of light and motion. Immerse yourself in high-fidelity sound with the premium Dyne audio system, delivering a concert-like audio experience. Whether in the city or at a luxury resort, the SU7 always makes a bold and elegant statement. As night falls, the customizable ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a cozy, high-tech sanctuary for every journey.